Hello everyone and welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it was leaking from the back, and it was because the generator actually was leaking from here. And as you can see, there's some little extensive damage around the generator as well. Some corrosion through here and through the bottom plate as well of the generator. So it was a very good choice to just replace the entire thingy, which is what we did. The new unit is right there and installed, and it's just ready to brew. So starting with one shot of espresso, let's test this machine out. Then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steamer. Alright, going down to here, going into this little funnel right there, which then goes into the brew unit itself, then all the way into the generator, gets compressed by the generator, and then water pump starts activating, passing water through the generator, through the brew unit, and into the spouts. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, looking great. Good. Nice crema on top of the machine as well. Looking great. Now hot water. Working fine, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Perfect. And then now the steam. The thermoblock needs to get to temperature, but once it gets to temperature, the water pump will start forcing water into the thermoblock and then into the steamer one. We're also gonna be cleaning this steamer one. As you can see, a bunch of things just came out of there. So right after this video, I'm gonna give it a little wash. It may clean it. And there you have it, nice steam coming out of the machine, looking really great. The way it's supposed to, and brewing once again. So thank you so much for preparing with Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.